An important part of the scientific process is to record accurate and repeatable methods. Methods are what you do in an experiment. This means that someone else reading your methods should be able to repeat the experiment in the exact way you did it, and therefore would expect to find similar results. Methods should be clear, meaning they should be easy to understand, and concise, meaning they should not use too many words. Methods should be in a chronological order. This means events should be listed in the order in which they happen. They should also include lots of important details. Let's look at an example of some methods to see if music helps plants grow faster. First, put 3 tablespoons of soil into 6 identical pots. Now, add 5 tomato seeds to each pot and cover with another tablespoon of soil. Now, label 3 of the pots with music and 3 with no music.